Hey guys, how's it going? Coming at you a little bit earlier than usual today. Have some plans this evening, but it's Thursday, July 16th. The market is still open. It's 2:44 p.m. And I just wanted to get this video out there so I could have it rendering and uploaded around my usual time. But as we can see, currently in the markets, a lot of red. The market actually was even worse if you were following it from this morning, where everything on my watch list was red. And as you can see, a lot of it is still red, especially the big names in tech, right? Microsoft is down almost 2%, Apple down 1%, Google, Amazon, Facebook pretty much sideways. This is what I was looking at. So semis are red, but not a lot, right? Micron's only down about 0.5%, AMD is down about 1%. But I gave into the peer pressure and I opened up a position on AMD. I actually sold 3 contracts of AMD at the $51 strike price that expire tomorrow. And I did that because, you know what, there was only 2 days to expiry. I was getting actually not bad premiums, and the reason is because not only did AMD open up red, it opened up down 1%, but I watched it bleed off until about 10 a.m. and I actually sold my cash good puts at this time when AMD was around $54 or a little bit less. And so on my puts, let's open up the option chain here, selling a put for tomorrow. And if we go to the $51 strike price, you can see it's currently trading at $5 a contract. I was actually able to get in at $13 a contract. So I am already profitable in about a day, or actually less than a day, by $8 a contract. And I sold 3 contracts. So I'm already up $24 today. I mean, I could close out the position, have some burrito money, go out to dinner tonight, and have it paid for by the advanced money destroyer, AMD. But I'm going to let it ride because the stock is trading at high 54s. And it's actually, if we go back to the chart, it's actually rallying. So the only way I could have played this better is if I held out until about 11:20 a.m. because that's when, looks like for now, was the daily low for AMD. And I did follow the premiums. When AMD was this low, the premiums were about $15, $16 for that same contract. So I left a few bucks on the table. But again, you know, I'm not going after the tippy top or the very bottom. You got to go after the meat in the middle because that's where you're not going to play games and maybe miss out on some chances. So I'm perfectly happy collecting $13 in premium, and I sold 3 contracts. So my max profit would be $39 off since they were $5,100 per contract, and I have 3 contracts. I have a total of $15,300 in collateral. So my profit, or my return on risk, $15,300, is not great, right? I wanted to play it safe. It's about almost 0.3% return on my risk. It's a little bit lower than I like to do, but again, this was more of a riskier play because it's expiring in 2 days. I did look at, instead of having an option expiring this Friday, what it would be if I was to expire on the following Friday, but I just wasn't happy with the premiums. At the time, it was just a few bucks more for waiting a whole nother week for that option to expire. So I just didn't like that setup. I'd rather, and I knew, I had a prediction that this is what was going to happen today because I knew also there was a Trump press conference later in the day. And usually, not always, but usually the market often pumps off the press conferences. But this rally, this bleed up started happening way before the press conference. In fact, it's actually on right now as I'm recording this video. But I kind of suspected this was going to happen because the whole market was blood red this morning. So I knew that this was a good opportunity to just open up a cash good put, catch the market while it's low, and then as it slowly rises back up, I'll already be profitable. And like I said, I locked in a good premium at a good strike price. I mean, if AMD closes at, let's say, $55, that means AMD would have to drop $4 tomorrow for me to have my shares assigned. And I know I would have loved to get assigned shares of AMD in the high 40s, but 51 is not that bad. It's actually, I've been assigned shares at even higher than 51 in the past if you followed my videos. So I'm happy with that, and I think I'm going to be pretty safe. So I gave into the peer pressure. You guys convinced me to open up a position, so I listened to you. I'm making good content. We're getting very close to 1,000 subscribers. I actually worked on the Discord server for about 3 hours last night trying to get it going. Added some cool new features, which I think you'll like. Just as a sneak peek, I have a bot that you can actually type in commands that will show you the current stock graph for any ticker you want. It'll show you the open interest, the volume. It will even show you the Fibonacci levels if you wanted to. It's very powerful. This is probably one of the coolest things I found so far. I think you guys are going to be hyped about it. I'm really liking the Discord server so far. So you'll just have to wait and see. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm not sure if I'll be 100% ready to go by this weekend, but like I said, I'm putting in about 2 to 3 hours a night getting this Discord server up and running. So once we do go live, it's just going to be awesome, in my opinion. But here's the stock graph for AMD. So again, we're still trading this channel of about $49 of a low to about $58. We're right in the middle there. So my 51 strike is pretty much right at this Fibonacci level, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci level. So again, every time AMD in the past few months has broken below that level, it's bounced right back up. So I am pretty confident of my strike. I don't think it's going to get tested. I don't think I'm going to get a shine stairs this Friday. And if all goes well, then I'll probably open up some more puts on AMD for the following week, come Monday. I haven't played AMD in a while. It's been one of my more favorite stocks to play, so I'm looking to get back into it more. Like I said, I opened up 3 contracts on it today, so we'll see how that goes. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you made any plays today, if you opened up any new positions, or if you closed any new positions, let me know. If we just want to take a quick look, obviously the market is not closed, but to see what's really popular today, space is really popular today. I saw Space actually had another nice pump today. I'm not sure if it was on good news or what, but Space took off again. I mean, it was up big a few days ago. It's up another 14.9% today. It's up $2.76 as of the making of this video. Crazy. I don't remember the last time Space was above $21. I know some of my viewers play Space, so you're probably looking pretty good so far. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let's look at some of the other stocks that were popular today. Apple, so again, big tech, but Space, right? Number 2, number 3, number 6 most popular stock. Microsoft. I'm surprised AMD isn't up there. AMD, the call is all the way down here. Usually AMD is one of the more popular stocks, but maybe that'll change by the time the market is closed today. I'll have to see. Anyway, I'm going to keep this one nice and short. Have a follow-up video for you tomorrow. And as always, happy trading.